As you know, we have been working at pace to review the situation here in Wales and the impact the coronavirus pandemic has had on assessments for this year. The worsening situation with the pandemic means we have no choice but to revisit our approach to ensure learner well-being, progression and public confidence in our qualifications system. I have now received expert advice from my design and delivery group, made up of head teachers and college leaders, and I have spoken to many learners over the course of the last week to understand your concerns directly. And I can today confirm to you that learners in Wales studying for Qualifications Wales approved GCSE, AS and A-levels this year will now receive grades determined by their school or college based on work you have completed over their course. The advice to me, which we will now deliver, is that all learners should receive a grade based on evidence of learning, and, critically, that you should be assessed on the content covered by your school or college, including crucial work that needs to be covered between now and the summer in very unusual circumstances. Receiving a centre-determined grade will be simple and clear for each student. Behind this, there will be a support process for schools and colleges, as well as students, and you will receive a letter from Qualifications Wales setting out what this means for you. I really would encourage you all to read full details on the link above. This includes proposals for deadlines, Year 10 and Year 12, and the range of evidence that will be used to determine grades. These arrangements put trust in teachers' and lecturers' knowledge of your work, as well as their commitment to prioritise teaching and learning, which supports student progression. Diolch yn fawr to each and every learner and to each and every education professional for your adaptability and commitment to each other and to learning in this incredibly difficult situation. Your individual and collective contribution to the national effort against COVID-19 is truly humbling. Diolch yn fawr. Diolch o galon.